I am Lola. I am 25 years old. I work hard and I love challenges. That's why I signed up to run the NYC Marathon in 2018. Alexa, what's the weather like outside?
Cold and blowing snow expected.
In the past 5 years, running became essential in my life. I've been tracking my progress and improving year by year, day by day. That's why now I feel ready to run a marathon. The months that lie ahead are fundamental for me to build up a strong plan to be able to finish the race. I need to have a structured running schedule and find out the best running outfit that will help me perform. In my spare time, I like reading about the newest running products. I follow a few stores and brands on social media to get recommendations and new offerings and products. That way it makes shopping easier with my very tight schedule. Alexa, what's my calendar tomorrow?
After work, you have an appointment with Mark, the running expert at Sports Style, on your way to Marathon Prep Club.
Alexa, I also need new seamless running tights. Can you advise me?
Would you like a tights of the same brand as your shoes? They have a running tights in your favorite color.
Okay Alexa, add that to my shopping list and ready for collection during my appointment at the store.
Done.
Today, I'm going to try a new pair of running shoes. I prefer going to the store before making a purchase because I get to try the products I'm interested in and feel how they fit me. Because they already know my preferences from my searches online, the salesperson is able to show me items that are made for me. Paying is easy, no more cash or even carrying credit cards. I can pay directly from my mobile phone. Now, with my new shoes, I feel ready to complete my training to participate on my very first marathon in NYC.